We're going to begin with a system of equations. We have the first equation is going to be 3x plus 1 equaling x plus y. And the second equation is going to be y equals x plus 4. And what's happening in this system is the value of x in both of these equations is exactly the same. And the value of y in the two equations is exactly the same. And what we want to do is we want to find out what are the values of x and y. One of the ways we can do this is the following. We know that y is equal to x plus 4. So what we can do is we can take the y out of the first equation and put in x plus 4. So let's do that. We're going to rewrite the left side of the equation because we didn't change anything there. We have x from the right side of the equation. And what we're going to do is, instead of writing y, we're going to write what y is equal to, namely x plus 4. So what we have done is, we have 3x plus 1 from the first equation, and the x from the second equation, and all we have done is, instead of writing the y, we've put in or substituted for y what it's equal to, namely x plus 4. So now, let's simplify what we have. We have 3x plus 1 equaling 2x plus 4. And now let's solve this. It's a linear equation in one unknown. We can subtract 2x from each side. And when we subtract 2x from each side, we get 3x minus 2x is 1x, so that's x plus 1. And when we subtract 2x from the right-hand side, 2x minus 2x is 0, and we're left with 4. Now what we can do is we can subtract 1 from each side. So we subtract 1 from the left side, and we subtract 1 from the right side. And when we do that, we get 1 minus 1 is 0, so on the left side of the equation we have x, and 4 minus 1 is 3, so on the right side of the equation we have 3. So now we have a value of x. We have a value of one of our unknowns, namely x, and that value happens to be 3. Now the question is, how do we find a value for y? Well, we know that y is equal to x plus 4. So y equals x plus 4. But the value of x we have just found is 3. So what we're now going to do is substitute this 3 for the x, because x equals 3. So what we're going to have is y equals 3 plus 4. So this now gives us a value of y, because y is now going to equal 7. So now what we've done, we've taken the two linear equations, 3x plus 1 equals x plus y, and y equals x plus 4, and we found a solution for both x and for y. The value of x is x equals 3, and the value of y is y equals 7. And therefore we can say the solution of our system of linear equations, namely 3x plus 1 equals x plus y, and y equals x plus 4, the solution of that system of equations is x equals 3 and y equals 7.